Hey everybody, my name is Scott. I'm with the Arizona Hot Tub Factory and they call me the Spa Man. Today I'm working on an old Diamondback. This is quite the hot tub. The guy had the electric done up and it keeps popping the breaker. And the minute I got here, I can tell you exactly what's wrong with it. And anybody that has watched my previous video will know exactly what I'm talking about how to properly wire your spot hot tub. As always, before you work on or touch any hot tub, shut off the breaker. But anyways, we're going to show you right here with the electric. Now, if everybody has watched my previous video, here's the pigtail that comes out of the bottom of this breaker. You got the two hot wires that go into the bottom, and then you've got the pigtail that goes into the common. Well, whoever wired this hot tub ran this wire right here up to that common block, and that's wrong. It needs to go in the bottom center one right there, just like I've pointed out in my videos. So anyways, we see this all the time where people claim they're an electrician, but have no clue how to wire a hot tub correctly. I am not an electrician. I don't claim to be, and I will never be one, but I definitely know how to wire a hot tub correctly. This has been wired wrong. We're gonna wire this correct and see what happens.